everyone, this is Grace from Kapwing, and in this video I'm going to show you how to animate and bring your photos to life in just a few clicks on your phone using the MyHeritage app and the TokkingHeads app. This concept of a deepfake where you take a photo and turn it into a weirdly realistic video is not new, and we actually made tutorials on some of the deepfake memes that were emerging back in August of 2020. Recently though, some of these deepfake videos are going viral on TikTok as this technology has become much more accessible, and many are using it to bring photos of family members to life, usually using the MyHeritage app. So I'll show you how to easily create these animated videos from a photo in two ways. First, using the MyHeritage app, and then secondly, using the TokkingHeads app, which is also free but doesn't require you log in or provide information on your family. At the end, I'll show you how to make edits to your video using our online editor called Kapwing. Let's get started. Okay, so the first method I'm gonna go over for animating your photos and bringing them to life is using MyHeritage, which is the app that has been getting popular through TikTok mostly and is at the top of the App Store charts now. So to get that, you'll just go to your App Store, wherever you get apps, and just search for MyHeritage. It's also the top free app right now, so just click that, download it. I already have it downloaded. Go into the app, and I've already logged in, but you will need to make an account with MyHeritage. And if you don't want to provide personal information like that to do this, then skip to the next part of the video where I'll go over how to animate photos using another free app called TokkingHeads. Once you have gone through the questions and made your account, you'll get to the homepage of MyHeritage like here, and go to the top left corner and click the three bars icon. Then go to the Photos drop-down menu, and this is where you can add photos and animate them. To add a new photo, you can click the plus button in the corner and either add photos from your phone, uploading them from your photo library, or by just taking a photo. So I'm gonna just take a photo to show you what the interface looks like. I have a photo pulled up here, and I'm just gonna take this photo. Then they give you a screen where you can select where their face is by dragging and dropping these dots, then click next. Then you can click save. So that photo will be uploaded. Click the photo. You can make some other edits in the top bar here, but to animate the photo and turn it into a moving video, click the first icon in that top bar. That is the animation button. So as you can see, it's starting to load. It's starting to turn this photo into a video using AI technology and make a deepfake. It'll take a few seconds, so just give it a minute. Also, if you run into an upgrade now message, that's because MyHeritage only lets you make a couple of these animations. So if you run into that and you want to make more, keep watching for the second part of the video when I go over the TokkingHeads app. So as you can see, this animation is done. It's moving. It looks like a real video. And you can change what type of movements the photo is doing by clicking the drop-down menu up at the top, where there's a couple different animations you can try. They're not very descriptive, but all of them are essentially just someone looking around. To save your video here, just click the top right icon, that little download button, and it will save that animation. So this can be kind of limiting. It's interesting to see the moving photo, but if you want more customizability, if you want the photo to mimic a certain video that you have in mind, or even talk or have speech, then you can use the TokkingHeads app, which is another app that animates photos in the same sort of way, but it's free. You don't need a subscription, and you don't have to put in your personal information. The only thing is there are sometimes ads that you have to watch to keep using the app. So to make a photo animated with the TokkingHeads app, download it from the App Store. It's called TokkingHeads like this, and then go to the app. So you'll immediately come onto this homepage where you can see what other people are making and then also make your own. They have a bunch of photos that are already stocked into this library, but you can upload your own obviously. So I'm gonna do that. Click the bottom right button and then click the photo you want to use. There's two options for that deep nostalgia kind of video. And you can just click one, or you can upload your own video or some other video that you want the photo to mimic. And this video, if it has audio with it, the audio will play as well. Some other options are you can make it speak some text and choose the voice you want to go along with it, or you can use these voice clips that are inputted already. I'm gonna do the video option, and then at that point you can click make from video when you're ready to actually make the thing in the bottom right corner. And then your video will be loading. But after a little bit, it should be loaded, so click the video that you just made, and here it is. For it to mimic the video as close as possible, you wanna make sure the photo is kind of an up-close photo of a person's face, and if they have no expression, just a straight face or maybe a small smile, that's the most ideal photo. If you want to remove the watermark, you'll have to pay for that. And then to download the video, just click the little download icon that's the third from the right. So then that video will be in your camera roll. Now, as always, if you want to make edits to the videos you just made, you can do that using our online video editor called Kapwing, which works on any device. I'm on my computer because I find it easier to work on my desktop, but you can use this on your phone as well. And Kapwing will allow you to do things like add text and image overlays to your video, in addition to making collages, adding audio tracks, and even subtitles if you want. To get to Kapwing, just click the first link in the description below, and I'm gonna start off by uploading videos I made to make a little collage with them, add some text and also some music in the background. If you want to adjust the timing of when they appear on the screen, you can do that all in the timeline down here by just trimming by dragging and dropping the layers. I'm gonna keep them both on the screen at the same time, so I'm gonna put them side by side like this. If you want to adjust by adding a filter or crop them or just zoom them in, change the speed of the video, you can do that all on the side here. You can also do things like add animations to the videos as they enter the screen. And I'm gonna crop this one on the left here so it's the same size as the one on the right by clicking the video and clicking crop. If you want to change the size of the canvas, right now it's a 1x1 square, but you can change it into other formats for social media. For example, the 9x16 size is better for TikTok and like mobile devices versus 16x9 is the YouTube formatting. I'm just gonna click 9x16 to have this for TikTok. I'm also gonna change the background color by clicking outside the canvas and clicking the color I want on the side here. And then to add things like text, I'm just gonna open this text box, change the color. I'm gonna also add a background music audio track through the audio tab up here by just clicking to upload the audio I want, and then it will appear in the timeline down here as well. You can watch your video back in the preview here by clicking this play button. And then once you are happy and ready to finish up and download your final product, click the red export video button here. Your project will load for a few moments and then your project will be done. So if there's a Kapwing watermark in the corner, you can remove that for free just by signing into your account. And then to save the file, you can just click the download button here and always go back in to edit the video if you want. Thanks for watching this video. If it was helpful, definitely leave us a like and make sure to subscribe to stay up to date with emerging video creation techniques and trends. We'd love to hear any feedback, thoughts, or questions you might have in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.